Okay, so hi dear Pisces. Very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general reading for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 2nd till the 8th of December, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from quite a long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Pisces, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. Oh God. We have the Three of Cups. Okay, so someone is feeling the urge to connect or reconnect with you and having a lot of fun with you, going on dates with you, spending good time with you. Let's clarify the Three of Cups here. We have the Chariot, the Nine of Swords, the Ace of Wands, right? Someone is feeling like you are moving on, and it's kind of stressing the hell out of them that you are moving on and you already have somebody by your side, or as you're keeping your options open, it's kind of stressing the hell out of them, and they feel like they should have a brand new beginning with you and they should have a restart with you. Now it could be a coming together or coming back together, but someone is kind of scared with the idea of you moving towards new people, new situations, and letting them go, not thinking much about them. Okay, kind of not happy with the idea of you not choosing them. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Five of Wands. You find it conflicting and chaotic kind of energy between you and this person. This is a lot of drama. This is a lot of chaos between you guys. Let's clarify the Five of Wands. We have the Star card, the Four of Cups, and the Queen of Cups, right? You're just trying to heal yourself from the idea of being in love with the wrong person. You feel like you chose the wrong person, or it was the right person wrong timing, or it was the wrong person right timing, whatever the case may be. You feel like just keeping your emotions to yourself and healing yourself properly, and being on the self love, self care, self healing journey, and letting go of all the drama and chaos and conflict because of what you had gone through a lot. Hmm. So it's like by the end of the day, you choose yourself, like every day. When it comes, like when the daytime comes, you are like, oh my God, all chaotic and conflict and whatnot. And at the end of the day, you choose yourself over everything else and everyone else. This is what is happening right now. Chaotic and confusing kind of energy. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Three of Wands. Their intention is to just wait and watch. They are 1 foot in, 1 foot out of the situation. They just want to wait and watch. There's nothing that they can do about the situation anyway, according to them. So they just want to wait and watch and basically keep their options open too. I don't think this person only stuck on you and you are the only one for them. No, but they're kind of scared with the idea of you choosing somebody else over them. So basically, they want you to choose them, but they want to keep their options open simultaneously. Wow, wow. See, right now they want to work on themselves, their money, their job, their career, their everything, and they just want to work on this chaos and conflict and energy of feeling left out in the cold, energy of feeling like a wounded warrior. Wow. Basically, they just want to keep moving ahead and want to work on themselves because right now they are so much in pain that they can't deal with this situation between you and them, even if they want to. So they want to wait and watch for the time when things will be sorted between you guys. I don't know how. And at the same time, they want to keep their options open. Maybe according to them, maybe they are going to find someone better. So why not? Okay, very complicated situation. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? God. Temperance. You just want to be patient. You don't want to lose your mind. You just want to be patient with the whole situation. You want to take it one day at a time, and you just don't want to lose your temper or you lose your mind over the situation, right? Let me clarify the temperance. We have the Six of Wands, a Knight of Swords, and the Judgment card. Yeah, you are like in this energy of letting go and letting God. You just want to be successful and victorious in your life as soon as possible, as fast as possible, as quickly as possible. And you just want to remain patient with the dynamics of letting go of people and situations and things that's not matching with your energies anymore. So you're tying your life to a goal, and the goal might be professional success, it might be personal success, it might be physical success, or like losing weight or whatever. But you just want to be patient with the idea of letting go and letting God, surrendering to the divine and letting go of people and situations that's not working out for you anymore. But you want to be successful in your aim or goal as quickly as possible. Mix and match of energies. One part is quite sorted, quite balanced, quite is in this energy of okay, it will happen. One part is like, I want to do it right now. Right now. Do it. Cool. It's like swipe and it's done. No, it's done. Never happens like that, honey. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 8th of December. Nine of Cups. Some kind of wish fulfillment is on the way for you guys. A lot of happiness. Something is going to be happening that's going to make you quite happy. Let's clarify the Nine of Cups. We have the Two of Pentacles, the King of Wands, the Strength card. Yeah, you are going to be in this energy of let's do this, let's do that, let's distract myself by doing multiple things at the same time. That's definitely going to make you happy for some time, but then you're going to realize it's not making you happy for a very long period of time. So you should hold back the urge of doing a lot of things at the same time to distract yourself. Instead of doing lot of things at once, you are going to be like, okay, let me focus on important things. Then you're going to feel stable and happy eventually, right? See, and at the same time you're going to be quite confused with this idea of should I give a shot to somebody that you're stuck on, or should I move on, should I wait, should I move on, should I give another shot, what should I do? That's also going to happen in the background in the chatter. But focus, mainly your focus is going to be in on this energy of keeping yourself busy and happy and distracted, and eventually understanding it's not working out, then working on something that's going to make you actually happy. Good. Good. The guidance for you guys, Queen of Swords. You have to have boundaries here, and you have to make sure that other people also know your boundaries, about your boundaries, right? First of all, you should create boundaries, solid boundaries around you, surrounding you, that you feel are good for you as a soul, as a person, as a human. Okay, creating boundaries is the highest form of self love. And then you should make sure that other people also know about those boundaries and nobody is trying to cross them for whatever reason. Period. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.